Hello everyone and welcome back to short number 21. You guys have just been amazing. Another 5 new subs, another 33 new likes, giving me a total of 83 minutes. But with that and from the last video, it gave me like 5 hours and 5 minutes in the bank. I've used roughly about 2.5 hours. I've got about an hour and a half left. No, it's got to be more than that. 3.5 hours, sorry. But I've got an hour and a half left in the bank. That's right. And this is kind of its current position. You'll see that the floor's changed now. It's now reflecting the kind of wet mud look that I wanted. The wall is the new wall that's going to obviously lead you into the next area after this has been pre-modeled. I've got a lot of work to do on that still, but I just wanted to get kind of like the basics of everything down. I've got the wall finished now and looking nice, and you can see it's just looking very, very lovely. I've also, I don't know if you noticed this, it's very subtle, but I've also reduced the size of the area. Not that bit, but this bit coming down here is a lot smaller now, a lot tighter. I want to bring everything kind of in to make the player feel kind of claustrophobic, because I think that's what Resident Evil does pretty well. It always makes you feel like, you know, there's not a lot of room to breathe. You can this weird, horrible looking wall is just where I've started to build the next security office. It needs to be pushed back a bit, so I need to do some terraforming and stuff. As you come down here, this building's now missing because I'm starting to do the floor plan for that one. You can see the wall's been brought in here now to kind of create a little gate area, and then we've still got our usual Triceratops area, which will obviously be locked up until you do X, Y, and Z. I've done a lot of other stuff as well behind the scenes, a lot of planning. I've done a lot of talking with voice actors and all that sort of stuff as well, because what I want to do is I want to get this game as close, these first 2 areas, as close to being officially finished as humanly possible, and then that way I can bring you guys along for the ride every step of the way, because I can just drop a demo and I'll just keep building upon that demo and adding extra scenes and making sure you guys love the game, and you can offer me opinions and different changes and stuff. But I just want to say thank you guys. Honestly, the fact that you guys are still subbing, you're liking, and you're commenting is just super awesome. And I'm really glad people are liking the direction. And yeah, every sub is 10 minutes of work, and every like is another minute. And the more you do that, guys, you can like every single video, and I'll count it. And every time you sub, and I will add that to the time. We've got an hour and a half left. Let's see if we can boost that a little bit, and I'll see you next time.